Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a repository in GitHub. Currently, I have logged in to my GitHub account. Here you can see this is my dashboard. If you want to log in, just go to the GitHub. Here you will find github.com. Go there and you just have to create an account if you don't have. And after that, you have to log in. Here you can see if I click here, this is my account. Now, you can create here repository. And here you find all the repository. Now, if you want to create new repository, you just have to click here new. And here you have to give it a name. Now, in the description, you can say anything you want. I'm the best, just for fun. And now you can select any of it. If you want to make it for public, you can select public. Or on the other hand, you can select private. And keep as it is. Now click here, create repository. If you want to upload any project, you can actually click here, upload an existing file. Let's say I want to drag and drop it here. So it will be added. Now you can actually click here, commit changes. So you can see we got the file here. So that's it. This is how actually you can create a repository and you can add file or project in the repository.